LNG 134. Should you have 20 LNG new buildings, maximum capacity, that's a 45% more than those 2007. Today, a captain is around this 17k euro. Now, we know that the dollar is going to fall with the euro, but how if the biggest consumer of LNG is Europe? Is that true? Of course it is now. Will it be like this in the perpetual long term? Yes. Which is the best way to invest ESG? First of all, put the local flag like a Spanish flag. Why? Because it's the appendix that is really getting 50% of world commerce. That's why we found America, because we were closer here from Bilbao or Seville. We are much closer to America than the rest, and vice versa. Therefore, is the Spanish flag really politically, geographically, strategically, economically interesting? ESG? Of course, yes, sorry. Now, it's the only flag in this planet that 1 day on board equals 2 days you and me for retirement. So the officers can retire with 25 years service. That's 50 for you and me. Imagine, is this attractive? Yes. Once they enter, they're not going to leave. Now, they can subrogate, and also there are other ways that they can jump from this company to that company. If they're getting 17k euro a master now, we can really negotiate for a long term. Why? Because instability, if we really put our hands firm in the table and say we're going to stay here for 25 years, put. Why? Because we have the trade. We are the producer. Got it? Very important, yes. So we are really going to be focused. Why? Because here is the consumption of LNG, and that's why in the future, if you are now, for example, in Qatar or Singapore, whatever, and you're really thinking in the long-term business, you will need to have here some kind of superintendents. Where are you going to get the superintendents from? The ships. Yes, karate. Yes. Therefore, you need to have the Spanish flag and the Spanish officers. Now is the timing. 20 LNG is long term, 25 years, and in say about 1 or 2 years, some really technical superintendents will be able to be here in Spain, because that's where the trade is within Europe, and that's an intelligent move. Yes, thank you very much indeed for your time. And is it in euros? Well, this is something that we have to pay because energy companies pay in euros, don't they? Bye.